Hello everyone, I'm Josephine A. Baltazar together with my co-authors Maricon M. Biñas and Joan S. Garcia. We are here to present to you our research entitled Challenges and Opportunities Encountered by Teachers in Developing Learning Resource Materials in Trasimatura City Elementary School. For the introduction and rationale, as part of this system, teachers are urged to develop a wide range of learning resources at varying levels of difficulty and diversity of appeal. Learning resources will not only aid the teachers and learners, but also help out in enhancing the teaching and learning process, which could lead in improving the learner's academic performance. Thus, the researchers come up with this study to investigate on the experiences and challenges faced by the writers in the process of conceptualizing a learning resource. For the literature review, learning resources refer not only to teaching methods and materials, but also the time available for instruction, the knowledge and skills of teachers acquired through training and experience, OWOCO 2010. The purpose and role of teaching and learning resources don't only consist of making the educational process more attractive and interesting, but also of encouraging active learning, the development of learning skills, and the adoption of desirable values and attitudes of students, Busleheta R. 2013. For the research questions, how do teachers perceive their involvement as learning resource developers in terms of the following development process? What components in the learning resource development process challenges the teachers? What components in the learning resource development process indicates opportunities for teachers? What teacher support program can be proposed to help teachers in developing learning materials as means for continuous professional development? Methods and results will be discussed by Maricon S. Biñas.
For methods, the study used descriptive research design. The respondents were Teacher 3 and Master Teacher who are developing LR. The instruments would serve a questionnaire and the data were analyzed using mean and rank order. For the results, data shows that selecting and developing materials and activities and organizing content and activities yielded with the highest mean of 4.85, with interpretation of extremely considered, while determining goals and objectives yielded with the lowest mean of 4.22 and consideration of resources and constraint with mean of 4.62. Overall, there is 4.68 weighted mean and interpretation of extremely considered. Results revealed that the teachers are very active in the development of learning resource for the teaching and learning process, with selecting and developing materials and activities and organizing content and activities as their main strength or opportunities, and determining goals and objectives and consideration of resources and constraints as their main weakness or challenges. For the recommendation and references, may I give the floor to my co-researcher, Ms. Joan S. Garcia. Based on the result of the study, the following teacher support program using ADDIE model in the development of learning resource materials should be considered. The following are the recommendations of the study. First, conduct a SLAC session with regards to the result of the study. Second, conduct focus group discussion with regards to the proposed teacher support program using ADDIE model in the development of learning resource materials. And third, conduct in-service training for the promotion of the proposed teacher support program using ADDIE model in the development of learning resource materials. And here are the references that we used. Thank you very much.